Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on dynamic refresh rate in Windows 11. First, click the start button on your task bar and open settings. Inside settings, go to the system, so right here, go now click on display. Scroll down a bit and open advanced settings. So right here. And here you will see an option called choose a refresh rate. So right here, if your monitor supports it, you should see a refresh rate right here with the word dynamics next to it. For example, 60 Hertz dynamic or 240 Hertz dynamic. So then you click drop down menu and select the dynamic rate, something like that. Once you do that, Windows will automatically adjust the refresh rate based on what you are doing. This helps save battery during simple tasks and makes scrolling and video smoother when higher refresh rate are needed. If you don't see the dynamic option here, make sure your monitor supports it first and that you are using the correct cable or connection. Also check that your graphic drivers are up to date, either either through Windows Update or from device manufacturer website. So I'm doing that right now for NVIDIA. And that's it. The dynamic refresh rate is now with on my side not enabled because I don't have it. But if you have it, now you have dynamic refresh rate on. So thank you for watching. If this video helped you out, consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.